How to delete subdomain in Hostinger or remove subdomain in Hostinger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you on how you can go ahead and do this. This is a step-by-step guide so you can follow easily. Now first things first, I am inside the Hostinger website right here, and this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through the website that you want to remove the subdomain of. In my case, you want to go ahead and click on the websites right here. Go ahead and select your websites, and right after that, you can now go ahead and click on domains. Now under domains, you can then go ahead and see additional option right here called subdomain. From there, you can go ahead and see all of your subdomain, and you can just go ahead and locate the domain that you want to remove, and it will go ahead and show you like this list of the current subdomains. The only thing that you can go ahead and do right here is to click on the delete button or the trash bin icon to delete the subdomain or remove the subdomain from our website. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.